Now that you have your real and demo account created, you need a platform in which you can place your trades, manage your trades, and execute your trades. So what you'll need to do is search the application called Metatrader 5. On desktop, if you go on Google and search download Metatrader 5, the first option should enable you to download the Metatrader 5 application for your desktop. Select the operating system that you want to download the Metatrader 5 application for, and once it's completed downloading, install the application. This is what the Metatrader 5 application looks like on desktop, and the first thing you want to do is search for our broker, which is Exness, and the one that we're looking for is called Exness Technologies Ltd. It's usually right at the bottom, so if you scroll to the bottom and select that, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. You want to ignore the options of open a real account or open a demo account. Ignore those options and click on connect with an existing account. Go back to your Exness dashboard and you can find the details to your Metatrader app by clicking on the three dots, or if you look below, you can see the server and the MT5 login number. The first thing that you do want is the server number. Search for the server and then enter your login number and password. The user interface may seem very confusing. I personally prefer the Metatrader 5 application on mobile devices. Anyway, let me show you how you can set up the MT5 on desktop. If you look at the bottom left, it says trade. Click on that, and then you can minimize this section. Also minimize the section to your left. Then close the charts that are opened. Then delete the symbols that are there by default. Add the symbols that you are interested in trading and looking at. The default chart view is actually terrible. Let me show you how you can change that. Right click on the chart and click on Properties. Here you can change the colors of the candlesticks and the background. I went with blue as the bull candle and white as the bear candle, and a solid background. You then want to remove the default indicators like tick volumes. Also, as you can see, the chart is shifted all the way to the right. You want to shift it to the left. What you have to do is click on Chart Shift. You then want to ensure that you can see the bid and ask price. You then want to save the template that you have just created, which you can use on all the charts that you view. To place trades, if you look at the top left, you can see a red and blue button. Click it to expand to see the sell and buy button. When you enter a trade, if you look at the bottom, you can see the trade that you have opened. You can see its running profit and loss. In the middle of the buy and sell button is a number. That is the lot size that you plan to enter. If you click on your trade and drag the stop loss in the opposite direction of your entry, this will automatically close your trade with a loss. If you click on the line again and drag your profit in the direction that you want the trade to go in, this will close your trade in an automatic profit. You do want to tinker around with the application to familiarize yourself with it. On mobile devices, go to your App Store and search for Metatrader 5. Once downloaded, open the application, go to Settings and click on New Account. Then search for Exness and select Exness Technologies Ltd. The same process as with desktop, First, select your server and then your login and password. We already have an open trade from the demonstration shown on desktop. What you want to do now is go to the quotes on the bottom left corner and click on the pencil tool and delete every symbol that you see. You then want to add the symbols that you are interested in trading and looking at. To view a chart, you can just swipe on the symbol or click on the symbol to see the chart. To open a trade, if you look at the top right corner, the blue and red button, this will display the buy and sell buttons. In the middle is where you enter your lot size. The bigger the lot size, the greater the risk that your trade carries. Once you've entered a trade, you can click on the line and select SL to drag your stop loss in the opposite direction of where you want to take a loss, and click on TP and drag it into profit of where you want to take a profit. If you click on trade, you can monitor the profit and loss of the trades that you have entered. You want to apply these settings to your chart. And to change the colors of your chart, click on colors. Additionally, you want to remove all default indicators by clicking on indicators and swiping to delete them. Once again, you do want to familiarize yourself by tinkering around.